Hello guys, welcome to this lab lecture on virtual lab. So today's our experiment is no load test. We have to perform the simulation on virtual lab of no load test on 3-phase induction motor. Okay, so all the circuit diagram cables are provided here. In this simulation we have to connect like this. Okay, this is already connected here. I have connected this for you, but we have to reconnect this. So remove all connection. We will click on this remove all connection. So it is already removed. Now we have to reconnect the circuit diagram. Okay, so this is the no load test on induction motor. You know they are required 2 wattmeters, one at left side and one at right side are there. Okay, and these are the motor terminals. These are the motor terminals provided here, and we have to connect these motor terminals as star connection. Okay, there is one ammeter and one voltmeter. Ammeter will read the current, line current or phase current, because the winding is connected in star, so this current will be same whether you call it line current or phase current. And this is the voltmeter which will read the line voltage. Okay, and then there are 2 wattmeters, so reading will be written on here. Okay, below each instrument the reading will appear here. Okay, now we have to follow the procedure. Okay, there is some procedure we have to follow on no load test. So first of all, what you have to do, connect the circuit diagram as per the procedure. Okay, so here are the circuit breaker. This is the circuit breaker section, start button, stop button. This is another circuit breaker. Okay, we have to switch on this. Then this is the variac voltage. From here we can increase the value of voltage. Okay, now connect. First step you have to follow, select the cable color button red. Okay, select the cable color button red. So we already selected the cable color button red. Then connect L1. This is L1, L2, L3 neutral. This is already here. Then connect L1 to current coil, first point of current coil. Okay, L1 with current coil of the wattmeter provided on the left side. This is the wattmeter provided on the left side. So connect L1 to first point of current coil. Then connect common point of wattmeter with U1. This is the common point of wattmeter, and this is U1 of the motor terminal. Connect the common point of wattmeter to U1. Okay, then select the cable color green. Okay, bring your pointer here. Okay, then select the cable color green. Then connect potential coil of wattmeter with V1. This is the potential coil of wattmeter. Then connect to this point V1. This is the point V1. This is the potential coil of wattmeter provided on the left side, and this is the V1 of motor terminal. So connect both of these. Okay, then connect L2 with V1. Then connect L2, the second point, L2 with V1. Okay, this is the main connection. Main supply is coming from here. This is the main supply. Main supply is coming from this main connection. Circuit breaker is connected here. Okay, then L2 is connected to V1. L2 is connected to V1. Now select the cable color blue. Connect L3 with, now connect L3 with current coil of first point of current coil of wattmeter provided on the right side. Okay, on the right side. Then connect the common point of wattmeter with W1. Then connect the common point, this is the common point of wattmeter with W1. with W1. Okay, so this is the common point with W1. This is the common point. Okay, at the right side. Then connect the, okay, now select the cable color green. Now select the cable color green. Connect potential coil with V1. This is the potential coil. Potential coil is connected to V1. This is the V1. Okay, so here also of first wattmeter potential coil is connected to V1, and for wattmeter second the potential coil is also connected to V1. Okay, connected to V1. Connect PC with V1. Okay, now select the cable color black. Now select the cable color black. Select the cable color black. Connect ammeter between U2 and V2. So this is the 3 terminal where you have to connect. First 2 points are connected to ammeter. This is the U2. Take this point to first point of ammeter. Then second point, connect second point to V2. So these 2 terminals are connected through ammeter, and short circuit this W2 and V2. Short circuit, connect V2 and U2, V2 and W2 short circuit like this. Okay, like this, V2 and W2. Then select the cable color. So this is the winding is connected in star. This is the star connection. Okay, of motor winding is connected in star. Then select the cable color green. Cable color green. Then connect L2 with one terminal of voltmeter. L2, this is the L2. Connect L2 with one terminal of voltmeter. Then connect L3 with the other terminal of the voltmeter. Then connect L3. This is the L3. This is the L3. Connect from here. So L3 is connected to second point of voltmeter. Now we have to check the connection, whether connection is right or not. So check. Here at the top left side it is written over here check. You have to click on this check. So this message will appear, right connection, star connected. So our connections are right and it is connected as star connection. Okay, now we have to move this point at left side, this point where my pointer is on this switch. So turn it to 1. Connection is right. Okay, now it was previously it was on 0, but now it is on the 1. Okay, at right side we have to move this switch at right. Then we have to click on this circuit breaker and start. We have to switch on the start. Okay, we have to switch on this. So main red color is appeared on the main button. Okay, main switch. Then again this circuit breaker, click on this will switch on. Then this is the point, turn it to the right side at B point. At B point. Then turn it to one side and then increase the value of voltage. Increase the value of voltage from here. Increase the value of voltage. So the reading, all the readings will appear on the below of the instrument in this side. Here is the reading. Okay, this is the wattmeter 1, wattmeter 2 reading, voltmeter reading, ammeter reading. Okay, so we have performed the simulation of no load test on virtual lab. Thank you guys.